Hey everyone, welcome to the guide to uploading documents to eIRB. In this PowerPoint, we will be discussing how to add new documents and how to update revised documents. We will also be going over how to accept track changes in documents that you must upload a new clean copy to. Adding documents to eIRB. New documents that have never been reviewed should be added to the appropriate section using the Add function. Down below, you can see where no items are displayed. You can click on the Add button to create a new document in its place. Updating documents on eIRB. If the document is a revised version of a previously uploaded document that has been reviewed, you use the Update function to upload the revised document. The Update function allows the document to be stacked to maintain a record of previous versions. Note that you do not delete previous versions of documents, and instead you stack them to maintain the history of the document. Tracked and stacked documents. Documents that can be uploaded as a tracked version include recruitment materials, such as flyers, brochures, and screening scripts in Section 13, the HIPAA Form 4 in Section 13, and the informed consent documents in Sections 15 through 17. The documents that require clean versions stacked over a tracked version, noting that both a clean and tracked version are required, include supplemental study documents in Section 20, investigational drug data sheet in Section 21, and the data safety monitoring plans in Section 32. Documents that require separate clean and tracked versions submitted in separate fields include protocol, such as sponsor protocols, eForm A, and eForm S in Sections 4 through 6, and the investigator's brochure in Section 21. Upload track changes when file format permits. You should not be uploading them in PDF format or JPG or anything similar. If the document is from a sponsor who has not provided a track changes version, the study team is expected to make a track changes version and upload it. When creating a track changes document, do not simply cut and paste large blocks of text into your document. This is especially important when revising the Hopkins informed consent document from industry-sponsored consents. The consent form should be carefully edited line by line to maintain Hopkins-approved language and to allow for individual changes to the text to be tracked. On this slide, we will be demonstrating how to add and update documents in the eIRB application from your perspective. In this example, we will be using Section 6 protocol information. As you can see, item number 2 says clean protocol with an asterisk. You have to add a document there required. Once you press add and you choose the correct file, make sure you have the correct file because once you click OK and upload it, you cannot delete things from the eIRB and it stays in its history forever. Once you click OK, you make sure that it loads. And once it's loaded, you can see that the version number is 0.01, meaning this is the first upload and you can have multiple uploads. In item 3, you have a track changes document. So let's say you get feedback back and there's track changes in the document you have uploaded. And it may not just be in the protocol section. It can also be in the investigator's brochure section in Section 21. But you're going to click the tracked versions. You make sure to open the document, and the red letters are the tracked version. Make sure to enable editing, and this is how you can accept changes. You right-click on the red words and make sure to click Accept Changes. And then it looks like it was a part of the document the whole entire time. Make sure that this is what your new, clean, updated version of whatever application form you're submitting will look like. And this is how you update. So you're going to click Update instead of Add this time. You're going to choose the updated file. Remember to choose the correct file. Make sure it says Submitted in Item 4. Once that updates, you will see that it says 0.02, meaning that there's different versions of it. And you can view the previous version that you uploaded. You click Update, and using the ellipses at the top, you can view history. Clicking View History, it will show you that first document you uploaded, and since you had tracked changes, you accepted those changes, you uploaded that new clean copy. And of course, remember to click Save.